to remove the top burr of the Baratza Encore. So you've opened this already. So it looks like this. This hole set like 7 o'clock. This one's at 2 o'clock. So I put it back to the lowest, like I guess this one. Oh, the coarsest. It's where you open the hopper. Anyways, I did that. So, and I marked this and this. So after you've done that, you hold the top black plastic part and you twist the bottom clockwise. And there you go. To change the plastic part, twist this, go like that, put it back, do that, and make sure that there, red parts here, this one's there. And as for this one spins freely, and I marked this. Yellow goes here where the detent is, the clicky thingy. Oops. Careful not to lose this part. There's a spring here, so it might fly away. So there's that. Do this. This is where the, where'd it go? Oh, this is where the screw goes. Put it back together. I aligned white with white. Let's see. That'll work. Okay, now it's in. Now push it a bit. Push it down a bit, not too much, and twist the lower part counterclockwise. And once it stops, sit here, look for the hole. See, I've marked it here with the yellow pen marker. That's where you screw it. That's where the mods are. Like, I think default it was like that. The mod is to remove the screw, twist it a bit further just to make it grind finer, and screw it in. Anyways,